Welcome to Weeks Law, developers of EZDivorce. We're creating your legal documents as quick, easy, and stress-free. We'll start by creating a login or logging into our document portal. Click the login button. If you haven't already logged in previously or created an account, you'll click on the Create Account screen. You simply enter your credentials, your username, password, so forth, and then log into the document portal. Once logged in, you'll choose the document bundle you need. From uncontested divorce to estate planning, we've got you covered. Our guided online interview will walk you through the simple questions. Just answer a few straightforward questions about your situation, and we handle the rest. Every step is designed to be clear and intuitive so you can finish in minutes, not hours. Once completed, you'll download your professionally drafted documents instantly, ready to use and backed by a licensed Utah attorney. It's that simple. Get started today with EZDivorce, your trusted partner for legal documents made easy.